This is Teacher Jane. This is Teacher Michelle.
Who's in your family? What are these?
Those are books.
How many eyes do I have?
You have 2 eyes. What do you ride? A bus. These are the colors: purple, red, brown, and pink. Black, yellow, green, blue, orange. The school is where I go to learn. There are teachers and friends. The park is full of people. Oh, look, a police car. He's going to the police station. At the supermarket, you can buy everything you need. Oh, it smells so good. It's the bakery. The baker cooks cake and bread. The museum. There are paintings and art pieces. This is my family.
Grandma,
Grandma,
Grandpa,
Grandpa,
Mommy,
Mommy,
Daddy, Daddy,
Daddy,
Sister, Sister,
Sister,
Brother, Brother,
Brother,
Baby, Baby,
Baby.
Food vocabulary for kids. Bread,
Bread,
pizza,
pizza,
egg,
egg,
green salad,
green salad. Hello friends, do you like animals? I love animals. Today we will learn about wild animals. Lion, lion, giraffe, giraffe, monkey, monkey, crocodile, crocodile. Hello. Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Opposite words.
Big, small.
Big elephant.
Big elephant.
Small mouse.
Small mouse. Big and small.
Soft.
Soft,
Hard.
hard.
Soft cotton candy.
Soft cotton candy.
Hard rock.
Hard rock.
Soft and hard.
Soft and hard. These are the 12 months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the 7 days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
It's all about reading, writing, listening, speaking.
Thank you, Teacher Dane. Thank you, Teacher Marshall. This is Irish Paul. Goodbye.